The fundamental idea behind the creation of My Campus Clone was the thought that there was a need to restructure the activities within a campus in a better way. Not that there are no tools available, but each tool caters to a specific set of activities only. What if all of those activities are bundled in one single package without the need to install anything new? What if web conferencing, course management, assignment submission, grading, communicating and getting alerts via Facebook, email, SMS, chat, or sharing documents of any type, be it audio, video, Word documents, or creating groups or creating reports? And what if all of those are done within one single application? What if this one application is more faster, more simpler, and more better than any of those applications you have to install and then learn? To start with, our main focus was on the three major players in any educational institution: the teachers, the students, and the administrators. How can we save a teacher's time? How can we make learning for the student fun? How can we make an administrator's job easier? In the next few minutes, I'll try to answer all of these questions and a little more. And the answer to all of these questions are the features which we have integrated with My Campus Clone. All the events to be done or have been done are available in one simple, intuitive interface in the form of a calendar. How easy can it get? A student can submit his assignment in a faster pace, and that too in a variety of ways: Word documents, video, audio, slideshows, or even web pages using the rich content editor. Once the submissions are done, a teacher can save hours of time using the speed grader within the application and then create reports in a jiffy. If there are any comments to be made, real-time chat can be used, and that is just one of the ways to communicate. Email, SMS, Facebook, Twitter, all of these have been integrated along with the application and can be used according to the user's preferences. Teachers also have the option to create tests from the scratch. Video classes give an extra dimension to the learning experience. Group creation allows the users to form groups within a classroom and beyond the classroom too. Learning outcomes make recognition easy. So what's in it for the teachers and the students? The design of this application is intuitive and uncomplicated. It is not a tool. It is designed to make it as simple as browsing through their favorite websites. They don't have to learn it. They don't have to waste time on it clicking on refresh or waiting for the updates to be really updated. And what's in it for the administrators? With a 128-bit SSL encryption, you don't have to worry about the security of the data. The application is reliable, robust, and always available. I'm sure it would take your institution to the next level. And the best of all, it has all the tools in one single package. And with no training required and almost no support needed, you have the best tool in hand to evaluate teaching, to evaluate learning, and to understand the workflow of your institution. Other than the big name players like Facebook, Google Docs, and Twitter, we also have integrated the application with LinkedIn, Script, and online video. And there are more features on the way.